Hello, and welcome back to another B&T unboxing video. Today we're taking a look at Speedy Gonzales. I would pronounce the rest of it except for my Spanish is horrible, and I am not able to pronounce it. So, there you go. Anyhow, today we're taking a look at Speedy Gonzales for the Super Nintendo. This game was one of the few that I purchased some months ago off somebody off Facebook and one of the Facebook groups. Remember, Facebook and eBay parts only. This game was purchased as a lot, so there's not an individual price for it, but the lot was about 80 bucks, 85, somewhere in that ballpark. This one is the worst condition of the 5. However, 5 games for 80 bucks is still good. So, no complaints. Let's take a look at what we got for that $17 if you average them all out. First, let's look at the front. We have a lot of wear on the bottom. We have a lot of wear at the top. And pretty much a lot of wear everywhere in between. As you can see, the box looks like something quite sat on it. It's a little spongy. A lot of wear and creases on it. The top, a little dusty. Big crease up top. Back is fairly clean. Text is still clear. Colors look correct, as far as I can tell anyways. This side, a lot of wear on the corner. Look at that. And the bottom is the same as the top. Alright, so now we went through and saw this very worn box. Let's open up and see what's inside. Box. So we have the manual of Speedy Gonzales. Just instruction booklet. They don't even waste their time putting the Spanish on this one. I know, I'm gonna get insulted by that. It's cool. I'm horrible at Spanish. I took it for 2 years and I don't think I could say my name. I'm that bad. But whatever, I digress a little. It's a nice clean manual. No tears, no rips. Doesn't smell. That's always a plus. There's a manual, and then follow that up with the cartridge. Now, the cartridge label is a little bit, looks kind of yellow to me. It might just need a cleaning. That's probably all it needs. But the cart itself is actually pretty clean, it's still gray. There's a little bit of dirt on it, but, that wipes right off. But in comparison to how the box looks, the cartridge looks amazing, which is a little comical. And then lastly, we have the cardboard tray, which has a little wear on it, some discoloring, almost looks like it got wet, which does represent the box it came out of. Anyhow, this is everything we got with this Speedy Gonzales for Super Nintendo game. Let me pop that up so it's not in the glare. It is possible this game came with a registration card and maybe a poster. Those were not included. But again, as I said earlier, this was a $15 to $17 game, so I'm not too upset. It might have been less than that if you factor in some of the other games as being a higher value than this one. But averaging straight out, it's about $17. And really, I can't complain. It's a very good quality. Well, not great quality, but it's decent quality. Everything's here, and it doesn't smell, so that is a plus. And if you've just gone into game collecting, smells can be bad. Some people the stuff will reek of cigarette smoke, and if you smoke, maybe that probably won't bother you. But if you don't smoke, it can be a turnoff. There are ways to correct those issues, so don't look at that as a negative. It's a downside, but it's not a negative. It can be fixed. Maybe one day I'll make a short video on how to take care of the smoke smell. This is the conclusion of this unboxing video. I have not played this game yet, though I have uploaded the ROM to my computer, so the game is backed up, but I have not gone through the in-game play, so I can't really give you any feedback on how the game itself is. I can just give you feedback on the box, which is in fair condition. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video and me rambling a little bit too much. Please check out my other videos and possibly subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a great evening and keep gaming. Bye bye.